Nakabenta ki khubor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
BJP baro kini hilong ki khubor baman kasngi. Wala da kaseng BJP ka badon ha kalyang sinsyal sindrop bar ka MDA ha ka jingilam ka NPP ka babrengam ban weng no na ka sarkar MDA kampat la ban weng yeladi namar kirai ya ka hukum ka bawan na High Command na Delhi yatu President ka BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Mauri ha kilat pathai khubor ha shillong. Uba Ernest Mauri uloong baka parti kadang ab ya ka rai jeng kinong yalam na Delhi halor ka jingkam jeng badang shen baka BJP kan semi no na ka sarkar MDA.
Serial number 4, Office Management. Convener Miss Arundhati Paul, co-convener Srimati Deepika Dale. Then I come to serial number 5, that is Security. Convener Shri Nitin Khera and co-convener Shri Raju Lembu.
Hadin bakinong yalam na jila kila kendu ya kinong yalam na Delhi. Uba Ernest ula pentip bagani kakam kadai kamat bajia kren haki babun ke jingialang bak kinong yalam na Delhi. Ha ka jingiadan lang umentri rang ba adu kari Narendra Modi kabla long ha kan riu bat nyutarik ngopra. Ula pentip ru badang shen kala don ka jingialang baya kren ya kani kakam bat umentri kampo yeng u Amit Shah lem bat u National President JP Nanda bat kiwe kinong yalam.
A lot of difference in the way that the Congress was functioning. It was not possible even to meet any central leaders of the Congress whenever we went to Delhi to meet them. Leave aside meeting Sonia Gandhi. And yesterday, at one instance, the appointment was kept at 2 p.m. and National President of the BJP, JP Nanda ji, was present there at 2 p.m. to meet us. That is the way the commitment is seen by us. That is the difference that is seen by us. That means the leadership under the BJP are disciplined. The leadership under the BJP means business and they are committed to serve the people.
La ban kedo baka BJP ha Meghalaya kala berngem ban weng no na ka sarkar MDA na du ka sauterik unai lor ha ka ba u National Vice President ka BJP bat u bakmi ya ka Meghalaya M Chuba AO ula pentip baka BJP kala ban weng no ya ka jingkershan na ka sarkar MDA bayalam da ka NPP hapo une ubanai ba menta.
UDP, I'm only 5 years I associate with UDP. This is my choice. No? Any party is good. I don't blame any party, but I am hoping from center leadership, Narendra Modi ji, Prime Minister, I associate UDP, BJP for development. That only. I no need to resign. This is I am independent. While time is over, then I'll join BJP. Then I'll contest BJP ticket.
I'm coming back, I'm sure. Because my people, my workers, my constituents people, they have select me and joined BJP. They have sent me to join. I think so. They have regret. Because see, a long time back, last time election, everywhere you have seen Benedict, no? Is it? So they should regret. Why should I regret? I'm good. I'm fighting for right. I'm doing for good changes. Which changes we can bring? That party only. I win and I join. This is BJP only.
A lot of crisis in between. In the 2020-21, there was a crisis at the center level. There was a crisis in the state, and there was like-minded friends who came out from the Congress. And we joined Trinamool Congress at that point of time. Trinamool Congress eventually was not acceptable to my people in my constituency. I tried to convince my people and they were saying that it is not a party where they would love to be in. And they were the one who suggested me to go to the BJP because the rural people in my constituency, they understand how much Modi ji has helped them during the COVID time. Even till date, the rice that Narendra Modi ji had given is popularly known as Modi's rice. In Khasi they call cow Modi. So even that is so popular now. Therefore, the people themselves have asked me, please go to BJP, and that's how I am here in BJP.